Is your Epson printer not working? Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, check the basics. Make sure your printer is on, connected, and has paper and ink. Now restart your printer. Turn it off, unplug it for a minute, then turn it back on. If your printer is offline, go to Devices and Printers, set it as default, and uncheck Use Printer Offline.
Having Wi-Fi issues? Make sure your printer and device are on the same network and reconnect if needed.
For blank or faded prints, run a nozzle check and head cleaning from the maintenance settings. Paper jam? Turn off the printer and gently remove any stuck paper without tearing it. Still not working? Update or reinstall your printer driver from the official Epson website. And that's it! Your Epson printer should be working perfectly now.